Ever found yourself staring at your YouTrip balance, dreaming of that sweet, sweet cash in your bank account? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the burning question: can you actually transfer your YouTrip money to your bank? Let's unravel this mystery together. Picture this: you've just returned from a whirlwind trip, your YouTrip card brimming with leftover foreign currencies. The savvy traveler in you is itching to convert those bucks, pounds, and euros back into cold, hard cash. Or maybe you're simply tired of juggling multiple cards and want to consolidate your funds. Whatever the reason, the idea of transferring your YouTrip balance to your bank account sounds pretty appealing, right? But hold your horses. Before you start fantasizing about that sweet bank notification, let's get real. Can you actually do it? The short answer is, it's complicated. YouTrip is a fantastic tool for managing your travel expenses, offering competitive exchange rates and cashback rewards. But when it comes to transferring funds back to your bank, things get a bit trickier. You see, YouTrip isn't designed to be a traditional bank account. It's a prepaid card specifically tailored for travelers. This means there are limitations on how you can move money in and out of the system. While you can't directly transfer your entire YouTrip balance to your bank account, there are a few workarounds we can explore. One option is to gradually spend down your YouTrip balance. Use it for everyday purchases, online shopping, or even topping up other digital wallets that allow bank transfers. This might be a slow process, but it's a surefire way to eventually get your money back. Another possibility is to consider currency exchange services. Some providers allow you to exchange your foreign currencies for cash or transfer the funds to your bank account. However, keep in mind that these services often come with fees, so it's essential to compare rates and charges before making a decision. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: fees. YouTrip is known for its fee-friendly approach to foreign transactions, but that doesn't necessarily extend to transferring money back to your bank. Depending on the method you choose, you might encounter hidden charges, conversion fees, or transfer fees. It's crucial to do your research and weigh the costs against the benefits before proceeding. While transferring your YouTrip balance to your bank might not be as straightforward as you'd hope, it's not impossible. By understanding the limitations and exploring available options, you can find a solution that works best for you. Remember, patience is key, and a little financial planning can go a long way. So, there you have it. Can you transfer YouTrip to a bank? Not directly, but with a bit of creativity and careful consideration, you can certainly find ways to get your money back. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.